The next connection method we're going to look at is wire nuts. Wire nuts are an essential part of electrical work, providing a safe and reliable way to join two or more wires. These small but crucial connectors are made up of insulated plastic and contain an internal metal coil that grips the wires when twisted on. They are commonly used in industrial wiring applications for everything from motor connections to control panel installations. Wire nuts come in various sizes and colors, each designed to accommodate different wire gauges and capacities. Choosing the correct wire size is critical. A too small wire nut won't grip properly, while an oversized one may not create a secure connection. Most manufacturers follow a standard color coding system for wire nut sizes, helping electricians quickly identify the right one for the job. So wires should typically be stripped approximately a ½ inch to 3/4 of an inch or per wire nut manufacturer guidelines. One of the most important steps in making a secure connection is ensuring that all the wire ends are even. So I'm going to take my 3 wires here that I'm going to put together, and you want to straighten them out and make sure that all the ends are even, just like that. So uneven wire ends can result in some wires not making a full contact inside the wire nut, which leads to weak connections, voltage drops, and potential overheating. So make sure all your stripped wire ends are aligned to the same length. If necessary, you can adjust them by trimming them with your wire strippers, or so you make sure you create an even end before you proceed. So after you have your end even, you want to go ahead and twist them together with your fingers before you try to put the wire nut on. So be sure you select the correct color-coded wire nut for the size of wires that you're using. Since I have 3 14-gauge wires here, I'm going to select the tan end. So tighten your wire nut by rotating in the clockwise direction. This will cause the spring coil inside the wire nut to draw the wires in the coil and compress them together. So no bare wires should be exposed when you're done. So when I slide the end on, I'm going to start turning it clockwise. And you can see as I hold it, it's going to start to twist those wires, and that's what you want to see, where it's twisted together nice and tight. There's no bare wires exposed on any side, so I know that I've done it correctly. So for added security, you can wrap the connection with electrical tape to prevent the wire nut from loosening due to vibrations. So we'll take our electrical tape. You want to start on your wire nut as you come around. And once you've gone around on your wire nut, then you can come down onto your wire as you keep going. A little lower each time until you get a nice tight squeeze around the wire and around the wire nut. You can go ahead and rip it off. And it should look like that, where you've secured it around the wire and around the wire nut, keeps it from just pulling off. So after installing your wire nut, like I showed you, give it a firm tug to make sure everything's held. No wires slip out. If it does, remove your wire nut, retwist the wires, and try again. So let's show a bad connection with the wire nut. So again, we're going to take all 3 of our pre-stripped wires I have here. So instead of lining them all up, what we're going to do is we're going to pull one down a little farther. So we twist them together, just like that. You can see that one wire is a little lower. Again, we're going to use our tan connector, and I'm going to go ahead and twist it on, hold it, and so it looks like we have a tight connection. But if we take that 3rd one and pull it, it just pulls right out. So again, it's really important that they're all even. So improper wire nut usage can lead to some serious issues. So loose connections can cause arcing, which generates heat and increases the risk of electrical fires. Over-tightening can damage the wire strands, weakening the connection. Failing to align the wire ends can result in some wires not being fully engaged in the connection, like we just showed, leading to intermittent power loss or failure over time. Using the wrong size wire nut can also cause issues. Too large and the connection won't be secure. Too small and the wires may not fit properly. So for larger wire bundles or higher loads, using a tan or blue wire nut ensures a safe and durable connection. So properly installed wire nut connections are essential for maintaining electrical safety and ensuring system reliability. In industrial control systems and large-scale electrical installations, meticulous attention to wire alignment, appropriate wire nut selection, and secure fastening can help prevent operational failures, costly downtime, and potential safety hazards.